Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 12. Now we are going to study few of the reaction of nitrobenzene. The first reaction that we are going to study is the when nitroalkane, nitrobenzene is react with HCl, it produces NH2, aniline. And when nitrobenzene is treated with NH4HS, meta-dinitrobenzene is being formed. The next reaction of nitrobenzene is when nitrobenzene is treated with zinc dust, in presence of H4Cl solution with few drops of ethanol, NaOH is being formed. But when nitrobenzene is treated with zinc dust in presence of methanol, NaOH, azoxybenzene is formed, which then spontaneously formed this azobenzene. The next two reaction is when nitrobenzene is treated with zinc dust in aqueous NaOH medium, then hydrazobenzene is formed. And when it is treated with lithium aluminium hydride, again azobenzene can be formed directly. The first identification test for the nitrobenzene is the azurite test. When nitrobenzene is treated with HCl, it produces aniline. When aniline is treated with NaNO2, dilute HCl at a 0 degree to 5 degree Celsius temperature, benzene diazoline salt is produced. When benzene diazoline salt is treated with beta naphthalene at NaOH solution, in NaOH solution, this is the product that is being formed. This is a coupling reaction that happened. A dye of this compound is formed, which is red color. This formation of this red colored dye identified that the initial product that we had taken is a nitrobenzene. The last identification test for the nitrobenzene is the Mulligan-Burger test. In the Mulligan-Burger test, nitrobenzene at first treated with zinc dust and NH4Cl solution in ethanolic media, few drops of ethanol, and then the entire mixture is heated. Phenyl hydroxylamine is produced in this reaction. Now, when this phenyl hydroxylamine solution is produced, this solution is filtered in the freshly prepared Tollens reagent. Freshly prepared Tollens reagent, and as a result, nitrobenzene and grey silver precipitate is formed along with ammonia and water. This grey precipitation in the solution proves that the initial product, that initial reagent that we had taken is a nitrobenzene. Now, as Tollens reagent is being used in this reaction, any organic compound containing other reducing functional group apart from nitro, like if aldehyde group or those kind of reducing functional group is present, in that case this test cannot be used to identify nitro group. This test cannot be used for the identification of nitrobenzene. Amines are identified with the basis of their degree. If the NH2 group or substrate NH2 group is attached with an alkyl group, in that case that amine will be designated with the help of the degree. The degree of amine will be assigned on the basis of hydrogen atom present on the nitrogen. Like in the case for this one, there are 2 hydrogen present in the nitrogen. For this amine, only one hydrogen present. In this one, no hydrogen present. And in the last one, in fact, there is no hydrogen, but a positive charge has been a positive charge is there on the nitrogen atom. This one, in which no hydrogen is present on the nitrogen, this one is known as 3-degree amine, where all the hydrogen has been substituted with an alkyl. This one, where one hydrogen present and two hydrogen been substituted with the alkyl group, this one is known as 2-degree amine. And the first one, in which two hydrogen present, this one is known as 1-degree or primary amine. The last one, in which even the lone pair has been donated to an alkyl group, this one is known as quaternary ammonium ion. Quaternary ammonium ion. If there is an X which neutralizes this ion, then it is known as quaternary ammonium salt. The last example is an example of an amine which is aromatic in nature. Specifically, this one is known as aniline. These are the example and the structure of few of the amines that we need to remember, we need to study in our next reactions. Alkyl amine can be prepared by the Hofmann method, in which an alkyl halide is taken. Let's take alkyl bromide and it is treated with an ammonia. As a result, NH2 is formed and HBr is released. Now, 1-degree amine itself spontaneously react with the remaining RBr to produce R2NH, which is 2-degree amine, which then attack remaining RBr in the medium and produces R3N or 3-degree amine, which again attack remaining RBr in the reaction medium and produces R4NH3 plus and Br minus. Quaternary ammonium bromide is produced. Now, this method is known as the Hofmann method for the preparation of amine. Now, as this method, in each step, an amine or a substituted amine is formed, which then can attack the alkyl bromide present in the medium and then spontaneously further react. This method is not very useful for the preparation of 1-degree amine, as after the reaction, mixture of amine is formed. There is a method known as Hinsberg method which provides the separation of 1-degree, 2-degree and 3-degree amine in Hofmann method. The reaction is follows as like this. Suppose RNH 1-degree amine, R2NH 2-degree amine and R3N 3-degree amine mixture is produced in Hofmann method, and this is treated with this benzene sulfonate chloride compound. There will be a mixture of product that will be formed. A solution mixture will be formed comprising these 3 compounds. When this will be distillation will be done, R3N will be separated out as distillate. And a mixture of this compound will be separated out as solution. In the solution, that is after KOH distillation, basic distillation, the solution that we will get will comprise soluble compound 1, which will comprise the RNH2 1 degree amine compound, and the insoluble second compound, which will comprise the 2 degree amine. So, in the next step, when filtration will done, 2 compound will separate out. This insoluble compound separated out as filtrate because it is insoluble, and when it is treated with 70% H2SO4 solution, R2NH will be separated out of the medium. In the solution of the filtrate, this is the filtrate. The solution that will be, this is the residue, and as filtrate, we will have this compound. When this is subjected to HCl and then hydrolyzed with 70% H2SO4 solution, RNH3, the 1 degree amine will be separated out, and that's how 3 degree amine can be separated out, following 2 degree amine, and then finally 1 degree amine can also be separated out.